Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones trading setups for today. Oh, we are still going and absolutely nowhere. So the trend is up. There's no two ways about that. We are in a range after a strong move up. So, the buyers are still in control of this, even though we have a lot of confusion. You can see the last two 8-hour bars were range bars. And then this morning has been a bit of a move to the downside on the other indexes, which Dow's kind of following suit, but not really. And we'll have a look at that now in the lower time frames. So from a weekly perspective, pretty much nothing, just a weekly range bar right in the zone. Oscillators group to the upside. So I would be suspicious of any move higher than this area at the moment. I would expect some kind of a pullback or consolidation. So in other words, a longer, not a wider range, but a longer range. A couple more bars on the weekly while the oscillators ease off. So there's nothing really telling here on the 8-hour. When we get down to the 3-hour, the trend is still up. You can see that. We are messy. But then the last 2 days has been sideways. You can see clear bottom, clear top, and nothing really going on. When you get to the hour, you can see we drifted low, trend is up, big move up, and then we've had this after hours gap down, rally, and gap down again. So I'm kind of sitting on the fence still with this. I don't really want to get involved in this kind of price action. So I mean, look at this gap here, and that's a 15-minute gap in the middle of the session, and then absolute chaos, and then a massive gap down, and then back, and then down. So I suspect we are going to be stuck between these two levels until we break these levels. I have zero interest in getting in on this. And 35685, I have no interest in getting long up there. And we need to be down below 35408 before I even start considering any kind of moves to the downside. So I'm really not interested in this, guys. It's too chaotic for my likings. There's no real structure, there's no real direction, and we just blow through levels. You can see look at these two pin bars there, and look at that. Absolutely zero structure, no respect for the levels at all, except for this one at the bottom, which is obviously what they're looking at as bottom of range currently. So this is 35485, but in my experience, they'll push it below that. You think you're breaking to the downside, and then the buyers will come in a little bit lower and then take you out. So that's kind of the bigger picture that I see here. So for as long as this kind of chaos happens, I have zero interest in the Dow. So the other indexes are not looking much better, to be honest. So I'm going to have a look at Forex now and see if we have something there. But otherwise, it's more than likely another sit on hands day. Just wait for some better structure. Anyway, that's it from me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.